it's Mara and welcome back to my Art Break Life. Boy, it's been a while since I filmed anything. I went from filming almost every day to keep up with Vlogmas, and then now I went to a lull of not filming for almost a week. It's been a bit because a lot of things happened in this short period of time. I actually got some new office furniture and I've rearranged my entire office. So now I have much more space to work on, which is great. And then I started delving into other projects that weren't necessarily like filmable or just things to do with art really. And plus with Christmas coming around, wrapping up all the presents and stuff. So I haven't really done much art in the last week or almost 2 weeks, I think. Yeah, almost 2 weeks. And so anyway, yeah, so it's been kind of weird getting back into it, but a lot of things came during that time because I
did order a lot of things during Black Friday.
Let's be honest here. But I did want to go over my Archer and Olive subscription box. Now it's funny, when I signed up for the subscription box, I guess I signed up right before the cutoff. It was unexpected that it came so close together. And so now we're gonna go get into this Archer and Olive subscription box. This is the last one for 2021 and this
Box is big.
Here we go. Okay, so this is the Archer and Olive fourth quarter box, and this is a pretty big box. I mean, they did warn us that the shipping would be a little bit more because the box was big, but look at it. It's so tall. Like, oh my gosh. So anyway, we're going to open this box here. We're going to open it up and see what's inside this really big box. So just pulled everything out of the box. So first things first, we have some color pencils here. Oh, excuse me. And these look really pretty. It's a set of 5 color pencils. The looks of these pencils, oh, they look like metallic. Okay, wait, let me get the 5th one out. They look like metallic color pencils. Oh, this looks like it'll be fun to use. I only had like gold and silver color, metallic color pencils. So if these are metallic, that'll be pretty cool to try out. So there's these items in here. I love the color scheme for this subscription box. This purple, Archer and Olive sticky notepad. Okay. I don't know why my Archer and Olive stuff always comes like really jumbled and messed up. That's so weird. But anyway, so we got rubbish. Oh, this cute little sticker set. Oh, this is really pretty. I like all these animals here and these glacier scenes, right? And I believe it says there's 2 sheets of this, so that's really cool. And okay, let's see what this is. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's like a ruler. It's a metal ruler where you can make little boxes. And oh, that's so cool. That's always handy to have a tool like this. Okay, so there's that. Then white gel pens, 0.6 millimeter tips. Works on dark surfaces too. Awesome. Okay, let's open these up. What colors do we have here? Well, it says white gel pens, but it looks like we have 2 white, pink, blue, teal, and green. Ooh, I did really enjoy the last gel pens that was sent with the last box, so I'm looking forward to working with these. And this looks like, oh, okay. See, it was supposed to be in here like this, I guess, but it got messed up. I don't know why my Archer and Olive boxes always get messed up somehow, but it pulled off the backing here. But oh, these are like large sticky note pads. That's kind of cool. So there's a bunny and a bear. That's really pretty. But I wish it was on here. And this looks like a little Archer and Olive paper thing. Not sure. So yeah, that's supposed to be in there like that. Would have been nice if it came like this, packaged up, but it got jumbled up. So, okay. Oh, I love these vellum envelopes and then this little wax seal sticker. It's so cute. What are these? Oh, they're little calendars. Oh, that's so sweet. Wow. I wonder if this can go inside a journal. Possibly. They look a little large, but they could be cut down. Oh, these images are really nice. Very simple. Oh, yes. Oh, up to 6 months. Oh, awesome. Okay. That's really cool. And this, wow, look at this. This is really gigantic, actually. Okay, so this looks like a journal cover, I believe. Or maybe it's like one of those where you can carry your journal and your supplies all together when you're going to places. Like if you're going to go into a coffee shop and, you know, sit and journal or whatever, which as a mom of 3, I don't really get time to do. I never really leave my office when it comes to doing artwork, but this is really pretty to have in this set. Oh, it's called a journal bag. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Again, Archer and Olive. Why isn't this on the cover of the book? I mean, look how beautiful that is. Let's just see. I don't think it will be, but I really love their box designs. They're just so beautiful. I just wish they were on the covers of the books, because then these get tossed or, you know, not really seen because they sit on my bookshelf. I'm gonna open this book up. Look at that. Oh, this is so pretty. I love purple. Okay. Okay. I take that back. This is really pretty. Wow, this is a really pretty cover. It's almost like it's a dual tone. I mean, it's material. It's not anything plastic or leather. It's a material cover with a gold bunny on it. It looks like it's purple with a black thin layer on top, but it doesn't move around or anything. But when you turn it in the light, in some lights it looks black and others it looks purple. That is so interesting. See how it looks black and then it's purple? Wow, that's so cool. Okay, so but I still would like this on the cover of the book, but this is pretty too. Okay, let's just open this up. And ooh, golds on the side here of the pages. This is really pretty. I like this size book. Wow, this is really cool. What size is this? Is this considered I mean, I don't even know what size it's considered, but this is the B5, right? And this is the A5, right? So I wonder what size this is. It's just slightly wider, but that's pretty cool. Look at that. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Now, I'm thinking these go in here. They fit. Oh yes, look at that. So anyway, these are the items that came in the Archer and Olive 4th quarter or their winter box, subscription box. I am actually really happy with what I got. I mean, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this yet, but all these items are really useful. I mean, look at this box ruler thing. You could make boxes, quick boxes out of this. Notepads are always useful. I don't use notepads all the time, so I may not use that often, but definitely all the other things, you know, in this box is really nice. Although I'm not sure if I'll use this that often, but it's a good place to keep my journals or other things that I want to tuck away. But anyway, now to think about what I'm going to do with these items here. So the first thing I always do when I get a bunch of new supplies is I swatch them out. I decided to go back to my black A5 journal from my Halloween haul and just swatch it out on the black blackout paper in there. And I tried out the little ruler to make the boxes as well, just to see what that looked like. And then of course I had to go and try it out on the white paper because the pens did say that it works both on black and white paper. So I wanted to get an idea of what they looked like on both colors to see which one I wanted to use, or to see which book I wanted to use. And in the end, I decided to go with the white journal. So I pulled out my B5 journal because I wanted to use these, I guess they call them Dutch doors, but I just glued it in like this. I didn't cut out the paper like you would on a Dutch door, which I could have, but I didn't. I didn't think about it at the time. And then I used January because I figured I would put this in my brain dump journal and using it as a starting point for 2022. And so I went in first with the color pencils because I was curious as to the quality of these pencils. And of course, it didn't come with a black, so I had to get my Prismacolor color pencil out just to kind of add that in there. Now, I noticed that it was a very waxy pencil, very soft too. And it didn't really give off the metallic, any kind of metallic that I could see. Even on the swatches, it was very muted versus metallic. And so I wasn't that impressed with the pencils. They were okay. They were actually pretty weak when you would push down on the lead, so it would actually crack a lot, or it would feel like it would want to break, or it would actually chip off and leave little pieces of rubbish as I was coloring on top of the paper. And then I went in with the stickers because I thought the stickers were so pretty, and I wanted to use them, but I wasn't sure how I was going to use it on this spread. And at the moment when I was doing this, I had no plan as to what I was going to do. And at that moment, I just felt really good because it had been a while since I did anything art related because I was, of course, moving furniture and organizing my area. And this is actually the first time I'm filming since I got my new setup. And I'm still kind of working out the kinks. So I wasn't super comfortable with the way this was filmed, but overall, I was feeling great. And so I decided to journal a little bit about what I was looking forward to in 2022 because I have a feeling that this year is going to be much better than the last two. I'm not going to put it out there and say it's going to be a great, amazing year, but I don't want to set myself up for disappointment. For some reason, I have a feeling of positivity towards 2022. And so I just started writing my thoughts and my goals and my planning with the stickers as the prompts for these little areas that I was writing in. And I know you can't really see it, but I'm using that teal colored pen, which I really love. It reminds me of a Tiffany blue almost. And I wrote using that because I wanted to keep it kind of private, even though you probably can read what I'm writing, but at least, it's not so bold and out there where it can be read from far away. And then for the stickers, I used my Energel pen, which I love the Energel pen. I like the thinness of the tip as well as the fatness of the handle, but I noticed on the stickers it didn't write very well. It would skip a lot, so I went over a couple times to certain places with the Energel pen. So I got to figure out a better pen to write with on top of these stickers. And then for the bottom right, I wanted to draw a picture, so I took one of the images from one of the stickers of the glacier being under the water. And I put a quote I found online because I wanted to say to myself that one of my problems is that I'm a very impatient person, and I want to get things done or get to levels quickly that maybe are too fast, that I need to really slow down and work through things. And so I need to remind myself to pace myself, take my time, and just, enjoy the process. And so when it said carve your own path, meaning you're not trying to follow somebody else's path or be in somebody else's shoes. You are in your own shoes and you're on your own journey. So carve your own path. And the little notes on the sides, it says go slow, channel your strengths, keep moving forward, smooth the way for others, avoid meltdowns, which I do get quite often, and also be cool. Just take it easy. And so I thought this was a perfect quote or saying to put in the beginning of my brain dump journal. And I really liked how this spread came out. It's very colorful. I really love the colors of this Archer and Olive box. So I'm glad I could incorporate most of the colors in this spread. The one thing I do have a complaint about is that they didn't have a
purple pen. They had a bright pink pen, but it didn't quite match, to me anyway, the colors that they were trying to portray in this color family or theme, which was supposed to represent the aurora borealis, vibrant colors you see in the black sky. And also there weren't any aurora borealis stickers, so I decided to try and draw some of my own. So I used the blackout post-it note paper, and I drew with the gel pens that came with the kit on top of that. And then around the words, around the glacier, I tried to mimic the aurora borealis using the color pencils. And again, they're not very great. They're not very metallic. You know, they break real easily. Like when I press down on the pencil, it has like little crumbs that come off, and I'm afraid I'm going to break the pencil. So it blends okay, but it came out pretty cool. And I really like how this spread came out.
But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for staying this long into the video. I really appreciate you joining me on my evening art breaks, staying with me to de-stress and just kind of regroup for the following day to get all my energies out in the form of art. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, you know what to do. Just keep drawing and creating. And this art break is done. Bye guys.